2017, the BMW Group achieved its goal to sell 100,000 electrified vehicles worldwide. And more than 20% were sold here right in the US. The US was the #1 market for global sales for our BMW i3 and i8.
The upcoming i8 Roadster, 8 Series Coupe and M8 will add further weight to our luxury offering. These new models are an important part of the boldest model offensive in our company's history. This country has influenced our global thinking in terms of strategy, production, design and technology, and our vision of future mobility. We are proud to call the United States our second home and to be responsible for more than 70,000 jobs in this great country.